How to fix keyboard keeps disconnecting in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem.
If that didn't work,
Windows may disable certain devices to save power, which can cause keyboard disconnect ions. Disabling USB selective suspend can prevent this.
Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed.
The operating system might turn off USB devices to conserve energy. Preventing this behavior for USB hubs can help with consistent keyboard performance.
Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.